Welcome to Prince Maths Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time.
Good morning, and I'm very excited to be with you in class today for the last day in our 11-day maths challenge. And we have come a long way. Remember, the first day we started with a question on variation, and today we are here again to tackle a problem on statistics. I want to say a very big thank you and God bless you to all of you out there that has been following our channel. Today we shall be looking at this very important question, which happens to be the question number 12 of the NECO 2023 examination. Remember, I told us that we would not be doing question 11 because it's construction and I don't have the tools to do that right away. But anyway, with the 11 questions that we shall be tackling, I am so confident that you can make do with them and make a huge success of your examination. Now, looking at this question, we are told that the scores of students in a biology test in a particular school are given as 12, x, 15, 2x, 25, 12, 30, 15, 25, 12, 16, and 12. We are also told that the mean score is 18, and we have to find the value of 2x, right? Then we have to find the mean deviation. Then we have to find the standard deviation. So let's go right into the solution. Now let us count the observation. All these figures here, all this data given are observation. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the total observation are 12. So we put that down. So total observation, and total observation, we regard it as n is 12. Good. So what do we also need to do? What do we need to do? To find the value for 2x, we need to know the value for x. And the easiest way for us to find the value for x, since we are given the mean, is to use the formula for mean. Given that mean is 18, therefore mean is equals to, you know that our n is the what? Is the total number of observation. So our mean here is 18, right? The sum of all the observation is to add 12 plus 15 plus 25 plus 12 plus 30 plus 15 plus 25 plus 12 plus 16 and plus 12. If you do that, you are going to obtain 174 for all the figures. Then if you add x plus 2x, you are going to arrive at 3x. Then over n is 12. So at this point, cross multiply, or you can multiply by the LCM here, which is 12. So 12 times 18, 216. Then 12 here, we cancel 12, so I have 174 plus 3x. So if I move this here, it will change to negative. This will be 216 minus 174 equals to 3x. So therefore, we can say our 3x. If you do 216 minus 174, you will get 42. Now, in order for me to obtain the value for x, I have to divide by 3. Divide here also by 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 1. And 3 in 42 is 14. So our x is what? Is 14. Hence, 2x is 2 times 14, which is what? 28. So that is the value of 2x in this question. So let's look at the second question on mean deviation. Looking at the board is the list of all the data given to us. 12x, 15, 2x, 25, everything here. Now, I replace the value of x with 14 since we found x to be 14, and twice the value of x is 28. Then, to obtain x minus the mean, you just do 12 minus 18, which is what? Negative 6. And you do the same thing here. 14 minus 18 is negative 4. 15 minus 3, negative. 15 minus 18 is negative 3. 28 minus 18, you get 10. 25 minus 18, you get 7. 12 minus 18, you get negative 6. 30 minus 18, you get 12. 15 minus 18, you get negative 3. 25 minus 18, you get 7. 12 minus 18, you get negative 6. You do it like that. Then don't attempt to add with all this negative value, because if you do, most likely you are going to obtain 0. So when you are adding up, ignore the sign. So just add them up like normal number, and if you do that, you are going to get this to be 72. Then you can see it's the same thing here, but the difference here is that you have to square everything you have here, right? That x minus what? You have to square it. Good. So this is a deviation, right? So you square the deviation of the data. So if you square this negative 6, you get 36. If you square negative 4, you get 16. If you square negative 3, you get 9. If you square 10, you get 100. If you square 7, you get 49. If you square 6, you get 36. That means you square minus 6, you get 36. If you square 12, you get 144. If you square 3, you get 9. If you square 7, you get 49. If you square 6 minus 6, you get 36. If you square minus 2, you get 4. If you square minus 6, you get 36. Then, if you add up everything you have here, you should obtain 524. With what we have obtained, we want to find the mean deviation and the standard deviation, right? So I'll rub off the board and we'll do that. To find the mean deviation has this formula. You use the summation of x minus the mean over n. Now, the summation of x minus this, as we found out from the table, is 72. Then our n is the number of data. And when we counted everything, the observation is what? 12. So we put down 12 here. And 72 divided by 12 is 6. So, because 12 here 1, 12 here 6. So that is for mean deviation. Then, for standard deviation, right? Standard deviation formula is summation of x minus mean all squared over n. Then put everything in its square root. That is what it means. So, the square root, everything we found here is 524, right? So, put it as 524. Then n is what? 12. If you say 524 divided by 12, you are going to get 43.667. And if you take the square root of 43.667, you are going to get an approximate value of 6.6. That's what you would obtain. So, and I hope the video was helpful. If it was, kindly subscribe to this channel, Share this video with your friends and loved ones, and we'll meet again in our next series of questions. Bye for now.